guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be doing another unboxing here. And here we have Ultron. This is another birthday gift for me. So I got a lot of birthday gifts right now. So we will be opening this Ultron. Let's open it from the other side. Right here, it's kind of hard to open. So here we got it out. It's kind of hard, you know. Let's get this out. Come on, please, go out. Come out. All right, here. We have this. This is the figure right here. Let's get it out of the cardboard. See, you see the face already there. So let's get him out. Let's take a look at the accessories first. Here we have. Let's see here. We have, what do we have here? First, first we have. What is this? I think this is a virus. And we have fist, hand, and open hand. A grabbing hand. Yeah. So, and we have another grabbing hands here. And on the figure, let's see here. It has the fisted hand and an open palm hand. So let's get to the articulation here. Here, hands goes up 360, elbow goes up like this, and feet goes up here, elbow double jointed, and we also the head right here. The head can't look down, and it cannot also look up, but it does look left and right. So that's it for this video, guys, and bye bye.